Everyone,
My name is Raisa Amica Victor.
and my name is Iris Julia Caslasan.
And my name is Giselle D. Cruz.
And my name is Raling Filipino.
And we are the researcher of analyzing the growth path of the Sari Sari store located near the seashore. Introduction. According to Kapampangan 2023, the distinctive business strategy of the Sari Sari store, which sells products in little quantities, meets the needs of the local populace, many of whom make daily purchases because of budgetary limitations. Because of this strategy and their well-chosen neighborhood locations, they are more affordable and accessible, which makes them a vital part of Philippine daily life.
Statement of the problem. This study generally aims to explore the experience of Sari Sari store owner located near the seashore, of how they grew the Sari Sari store and how they get the profit from the loan.
Methodology, design, descriptive phenomenology, population, Sari Sari store, owner located near the seashore, instrument, interview, guide, questionnaire, data analysis, thematic analysis.
Result, Team 1, no income. Kadalasan, mga umuutang na hindi nagbabayad at minsan nawawala ng puhunan. Nakakapekto ito sa paglago ng isang sari-sari store kung ang lokasyon ay kakaunti lang ang namimili. Kailangan laging may pambili ng paninda at dapat mga itinda mo ay kung ano ang mabili. Nakakapekto ito sa tindahan namin kasi syempre, di ba pag namili ka na madaming paninda tapos hindi na pala iyon ang gusto nila, masasayang lang yung paninda kung hindi mabibili.
Team 2, location problem. Minsan walang namimili, walang benta. Dito sa lokasyon ng tindahan ko, pag madaming bisita na pumupunta sa dagat, madami ang bumibili. Pero pag walang bisita, konti lang ang namimili. Magtiyaga sa pagtitinda. Malaking epekto ito sa tindahan, lalo kapag namimili ay nagbago ang kanilang kagustuhan. Siyempre, yung mga dati namin tinitinda na dati namin binibilin, may stock, hindi na mabibili. Paswertehan lang kung saan lumapit ang namimili.
Team 3, strategy. Pag tumaas ang presyo ng bilihin at minsan pag wala ng pambili ng paninda, malaking epekto sa paglago ng tindahan ko. Yung lokasyon ng tindahan ko nasa tapat ng beach. Siyempre may mga bisitang namimili. Kailangan maayos ang pakikitungo mo sa mga customer para bilhan ka para mapanatili mo ang paglago ng tindahan mo. Minsan ang mga tinda ko ay na-stock ng matagal dahil iba na din ang hinahanap nila. Masasanay lang sila sa una pero pag tumagal-tagal ay kinakaayawan na din nila iba. Iba ang mga hinahanap nila. Hanggang sa ibang tindahan na sila makabili, kaya ang nagkakaroon ng problema na walang benta. Minsan kapag alam ko na meron na sila ng paninda na iyon, iniiba ko paninda ko para mas bago naman sa paningin ng mga namimili. Tsaka pinapanatili ko na malinis at maayos ang tindahan ko para maengganyo bumili ang mga namimili.
Conclusion, the study emphasized the importance of Sari Sari store in fostering community development, supporting women's empowerment, and adapting to the specific needs of the local populace. It showcased the resilience, resourcefulness, and community-oriented nature of Filipino entrepreneurship. The Sari Sari store owners believe the practice contribute to the social and economic well-being of their communities, providing convenience, affordability, and sense of community.
For Sari Sari store owner, the Sari Sari store owner can capitalize on the unique advantage of the seaside location, enhance the customer experience, leverage digital platforms, and strengthen community ties to drive the growth of their business. For community, the community can promote an environment that supports the growth and development of the Sari Sari store, while also promoting the overall economic, social, and environmental well-being of the coastal region.
For future researcher, can contribute to a deeper understanding of the unique growth dynamics, challenges, and opportunities faced by Sari Sari stores located in coastal areas, ultimately informing the development of more effective strategies and policies to support the success and sustainability of these businesses.